What's good, YouTube? This is part 2 of the last video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the POV. As you can see, we outside. We're gonna hit this unknown meet. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's go see what Ted's on, bruh. My car look clean as I don't know what. Even though the rims look a little bit ashed up from the brake dust, it's alright. It still look clean. Look at this dude, fresh cut. Who you think you is, bruh?
Call me Dada.
Oh no, no one calls him that, by the way. No, literally no one calls him that. 3 minutes away from the meet, as y'all can see. Hopefully this meet lit. Also, the cord that I ordered for that camera literally doesn't work either. So it's just my back camera is defective. I gotta get it fixed. So I'm gonna hit up Bantru and see if they can get that done for me. Is that a police in front of him? I honestly think that's the police in front of him. Well, we'll see. And we have made it to the meet. Get out the way, move. Thank you. Let's go. Is there nowhere to park? Is there nowhere to park these big beasties? It's a McLaren right there. Oh yeah, the McLaren GT. Oh, that's McLaren, nice. It's small though. That's a fast car. How fast y'all think this is? Crash dummy, sit your shit. We good, bro. There's cameras back there.
What? You ain't gonna do nothing? What?
Gonna get the tag, bro.
Yeah, I don't know why you think that.
I'm gonna get that tag. Insurance. That's an easy catch.
That's an easy catch, y'all heard, right?
On me, that's an easy catch for real.
Right?
What'd you say?
Get your car hit if you want insurance money, right?
No. That's not what I'm saying.
He said it, not me. New car, just go ahead and just total out whatever car you have right now. Just go ahead. But enough of me yapping.
I've seen him before. Hold on. Yo, you wash your car at Kirkwood? You wash your car at Kirkwood?
I sure did. That one time?
Yeah, I seen you before.
Okay,
yeah.
okay, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Where the whip at?
It's back there.
Oh, okay.
Nice seeing you, bro. I know I recognize him from somewhere. Yeah, he doesn't. Oh shoot, we seen it at the same time.
Or hey, you know I had to we gotta check it out. So
Yeah.
Next drive, there's a lot we gotta.
Nah, facts. We gotta do a whole inspection on the M4s and the M3s, man. He got the Polysport Forests. Okay, he passed that test. He is not X-Drive, and he is a manual.
It's hard. I like the blackout.
Yeah, it's hard. I ain't gonna lie, it's hard.
Bro, that M3 that I put earlier in this video.
And he don't got lasers, twin.
Oh, no lasers.
No laser.
Hey, he should let me ride that bike. You think he'll let me ride it?
Heck nah, you gonna crash his joint. You can skate, but you can't pop no wheelies. You ain't a wheelie popper. What does the back of this truck say? Nah, that truck wildin'. Yeah, that's a cat, yeah. It might be a red eye though. I seen him at the last ruin meet. I seen her at the last ruin meet too. Seen a lot of these people. doesn't sound like that.
It's an Eco.
Ew.
Yo, I'm not talking about anybody's car. It's actually that sound kind of like that when you were talking about you all see like the
Cabron, fry, bro. Cabron. Nope.
Oh, he changed his hood on that too.
Yeah. Little M3 down there. Not gonna lie, you're not catching me in no Hellcat, dog. You'll catch me in one of those before I get in a Hellcat. Before I buy a Hellcat, not get
like a Hellcat, though.
Wow. Check this out, bro. Bro got the wheel run tag, bro. And he got the setup. Alright, bro, chill. Before we get kicked out. Like last time.
Don't know how to fucking act.
Nah, facts. Yo, his tag say come, bro. What the hell?
Chill, bro. It's like the factory tag.
Yeah, alright. Factory. Nah, facts. Bro, tag say come. That's embarrassing. That's tough.
That nigga said it's not the factory car.
You'd ride that?
Yo, those are not my style of bikes. So
That's like one of them bikes you see in a movie.
yeah.
And like, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, this is an old M5. Bro, look like you got new rotors on this. New rotors. Bro, wow, the Mustang's loud, bro. Aren't those like HREs, right?
Oh, HREs. Oh, it's on bags too.
Is this F80 JoJo?
Yeah.
Makes sense. Sounds about right.
It was white.
Them wheels fire.
You can buy one, bro. Like just for fun.
It's not on the other side though.
Yeah, this is not.
We need something
JDM,
on.
this not like from Tokyo.
Yeah.
The other car was from Tokyo. That was the 180.
Yeah, we need a JDM.
This is just fire. Hey, he got the one windshield wiper, bro. Just buy one for fun.
How easy is that bike to lift up?
It's nice. It's pretty easy.
Pretty easy.
You gonna let me ride it, bro? Okay. You gonna be my cameraman?
I'll hold it, but I don't know.
I got you.
And I'm about to try to wheelie it, bro. You think I can? Hey, with my phone, you gonna laugh at me, bro?
I just hope it's.
Hey, I'm about to try to hold on.
I'm recording both. Jeez.
You do YouTube?
Yeah. He's Tez, I'm Racky. Oh God.
Hey, I don't know, man. That bike too heavy.
It's too heavy?
Hey, I'm not. I don't want to fall, bro. I'm like scared.
Bro, lift it up, bro. Oh, he's scared. Nah, he's scared.
I'm gonna get ready.
Lift it up, bro. Oh, nah. Why
Get
the
your
police-
speed. Get speed.
Bro, still here. He's so confused, bro. He just spawned here. He spawned in the wrong area. Yes, sir. Almost.
Bro, how do you get it up? Bro, I wanted one of these. Like, I want one of these, but I don't know how to run it.
I might be able to lift it
the
up.
pedal thing? Okay, all right, that's what it was, the gears, bro.
Yeah.
Hold on, I think I might have it now.
Just lean back. You're leaning too forward.
Yeah.
Lean back. Like throw your body weight back.
Hit the brakes if y'all ass finna, Oh, boy. Look at this loser. You gotta go higher, bro.
Appreciate it, bro. Take care, man. Nice to meet you. Cheers. Well, guys.
We out of here. No, sir. All right, y'all. They ended up posting a new spot, so we finna head over there. Everybody was just waiting on that. Yeah, we finna hit there now. Yeah, let's do it. They got a heli out, y'all. Wait, y'all can't see it. Oh, there it goes. Y'all seen it the slightest. But yeah, they got a heli out, bro. Had to let my windows up, bro. But yeah, we 8 minutes away from this new meat spot. And they put my phone on the charger, bro. My phone about to die and stuff. Ah, bro, gone. That Mustang pushing it, bro. I ain't full throttling it, cause I don't really know this road like that. So I'm gonna just play it safe. Yes, sir. Now I'm the one stuck behind the garbage truck. Jeez. A slight little pull. The roads are empty right now. Like, jeez, I didn't expect the roads to be this empty. Like, somebody could open it up, like, all through this road right here. All right, y'all, we have now made it to the new meetup spot. As y'all can see, it's hella heads out here. It's a lot more people than the last spot, because the last spot was, like, congested. There was a lot of people getting gas, and a lot of people couldn't really, like, maneuver. That boy Tez just pulled up. He had to take a detour. I'm waiting for him, and I'm gonna go look at some cars. See what they got out here. What is this? This is a Scat. Yeah, ZL1 right here. I don't know if it's ZL1. It might be just a Corvette with a kit or SS with a kit. Yeah, it look like a SS with a kit. 5.0. Got a purple Hellcat. You got the Benzos down here. Yeah.
I gotta buy another C60. They keep following me.
No, bruh, that's not your sign.
That is my sign, bro.
C63s. That just mean they common, bruh.
3. That is 3.
How many M5s you see? Just us, literally just us. And then you got
Bro, I
a
want to get
C63
another.
right there.
Why you pop your hood? Everybody can see the hood.
Cause I don't got the even series on right now.
Yes, you do.
No, I
Why
don't.
you capping?
Yo, he's trying to expose me, dog.
He's not the cool. Look how they going in circles.
Going in circles like a circus.
I want to go slide.
You would your tires must be bald.
I'm about to put new tires on tomorrow.
No wonder.
I don't care. Should I ask him for a game of skate? You think he'd play me in a game of skate?
Sure. Go ask him. Yeah, let's see where this goes.
This was you, bro? You did this?
That
I'm gonna play with a game of skate. Yeah, no, that's fake. That's a fake skateboard.
it is?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Got Hellcat, another that was the same guy. Same
I
Supra.
don't know if y'all know if I do skate.
Basically, some of these are majority of the same cars that we just seen at the gas station.
And me and Rocky be like blitzing through the cars. Like we don't stop and like look at the car.
Exactly.
We like.
It's because ain't no
glimpse out.
hoods up, bruh. Like
Like-
Beamer Invasion, bruh. Ain't
We
no
like take
hoods
a
up.
glimpse and then move on. You know what
I like this. This is fire.
That's a cinnamon stick.
Yeah, cinnamon stick for sure.
That's this.
This Infinity tough. It's lower and it's on TEs.
It's no bags or just low.
I don't know. It's lower for sure though. I seen him driving it.
Oh, he got the carbon fiber. It's cool.
Yeah. It's on clean. Bro tag say Atlanta.
Hey. I be thinking my car is really old.
Atlanta. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. It ain't really too much going on, and same cars from the gas station. Seems like. But if something ended up popping off, I'll make sure to record again. But make sure you guys like, subscribe. That's it on my outro, bro. And comment down below. And turn on post notifications if you don't want to miss an upload just like this one. Oh yeah, cops just pulled up too, so we're out of here. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.